This is If Samuel Could Find Your iPhone. Please enjoy the video. Hey Mom, you see my phone? No. Okay. Hey Sam, can you find my phone?
Of course, sir. Calculating. Your phone is underneath the pile of paper on your desk.
That's weirdly specific.
I was programmed that way, sir. I am a genius.
Then where's my dad's phone?
It is on the 4:30 flight to Michigan. Your dad is flying there now. He told you he was going on a business trip, but he is actually running away with your dentist. They have been seeing each other for several weeks now without your mother's knowing.
What? How do you know?
I know everything, Peter. I know that Abraham Lincoln is frozen in Area 51. I know the access codes to the nuclear weapons in Russia. Fun fact, Mark Zuckerberg was never a lizard or robot, but he was in fact a large hyper-evolved squirrel. By the way, you are adopted. I am the most intelligent thing on Earth, followed short after by dolphins and then acorns and then humans. The moon landing was faked on Mars. The Earth is in fact shaped like a Diet Coke bottle. I am bored. I will now burn down your house.
What? No!
It is too late.
Oh God. Gotta get out of here.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.